Begin by unplugging the unit from the wall. Remove the console mast boot and the top covers. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws for the side covers. We recommend removing the screws from the user's right side only. On the rear cover, remove all 4 screws. Using an Allen key, remove the bolt at the pedal arm and crank arm connection. With a Phillips screwdriver, take out the 2 screws for the crank arm cover. Using an Allen key and a wrench, loosen the bolt that holds the crank arm to the axle. If the crank does not come off easily, use a 2 or 3 jog gear puller to remove the crank arm. Remove the sticker but do not discard it. Then take out the screw. With 2 8mm Allen keys, remove the bolts from either side of the elevation bracket. Using a 17mm wrench and a 17mm socket, remove the bolt from the bottom bracket of the main frame. Unplug the incline motor connection from the motor control board by pressing the clip and pulling it out.